So, children, in the last period we have discussed about a closer look to Harappan town in Gujarat. In this, we have seen that there were two kind of cities, Dholavira and Lothal, where the different kind of things were found. For example, in Dholavira, uh, which is near situated in the run of Kutch, there were fresh waters, fertile soil, and all these things were available. As also, you know that the Harappan cities are normally divided into two parts, Citadel and Lower Town. But Dholavira was not divided in two parts; it was divided in three parts. And the first part, and all these three parts were covered with the massive stone wall, and it was a kind of a fortification around the city. So this thing, as well as in this Lothal, we have seen that the city is situated near the Sabarmati River's tributary. Then it is close to the Gulf of Khambhat, and it was situated near where raw materials such as the semi-precious stones were easily available. This kind of thing we have discussed in the last period, as well as we have seen the buildings in the Lothal city were the kind of the workshops in which the beads, pieces of stone, half-made beads, tools for for making the beads, and finished beads have all been found there. So these are all the things we have seen, as well as we have seen what are the sealings or sealers, what are the uses of the seal. So seals were made in the kind of, for example, the wet clay was pressed over the packets or the bags, and then it is stamped with a kind of a stamp which was made up of, and these were used to provide the safety to the goods that were packed into the bag. Now today, in this period, we are going to see the mystery of the end of the Mohenjo-daro city was shown, but there is no certainty about that, as in the movie it is shown that the Mohenjo-daro city was completely drawn into the flood of the that has come to the river due to certain reason. And there are so many thoughts, or there are so many views about the end of the Harappan cities. So here some of the things we are going to discuss about the mystery of the end. Around 3900 years ago, we find the beginning of the major change. People stopped living in many of the cities. Writing seals and weights were no longer used. Raw materials brought from long distances became rare. In Mohenjo-daro, we find that garbage piled up on the streets. The drainage system broke down, and new, less impressive houses were built, even over the streets. Why did all this happen? We are not sure about it. Some scholars suggest that coal was required for baking bricks and for smelting copper ores. Besides using by large herds of cattle, sheep and boats may have destroyed the green cover. In some areas, there were can explain the end of all the cities. Flooding or a river drying up would have had an effect in only some areas. So the mystery of the end. So here it is said around 3900 years ago, major changes have started to take place in the Harappan cities, and people those were living in the very disciplined way, they started to become indisciplined. And you know what they were doing? People stopped living in many of the cities. They were not living in many of the cities, and writing of seals, use of the weight were no longer in the use, and means weight and writing of the seals and all these things were not in use. And with the help of this we can say that the people were completely becoming indisciplined. They were not liking the things that were already made for the rules and order. Raw materials brought from long distances became rare. So whatever the raw material that were brought from the long distances, these all the resources started to become rare, and they were not getting easily anywhere. In Mohenjo-daro, we find that garbage piled up on the streets. So we have seen that if you will see that whatever the evidences are found, with the help of that, the archaeologists have said that the people have started to throw the garbage on the road. They have started to pile the garbage on the road. Isn't it a very bad scenario, that where the very disciplined city was there in the earlier time? Today the people are throwing the garbage on the road, they are piling the garbage on the road. The drainage system completely broke down, where the finest drainage system was there earlier, and new less impressive buildings were also built over their houses, means which were not impressive, which were completely in a bad manner, or which was constructed in a very bad manner, so that the city, whatever the plan was made, it was completely against the plan of the city. And even roads were constructed on the streets also. So why did all this happen? Actually, nobody is sure about it. We are not sure about it. Why all these things have happened? What would be the reason behind that? Some of the scholars say that the rivers were dried up. At that time, rivers were dried up, and some of the scholars says that there were deforestation, means the forests were completely cut down, and therefore the people were not living there. They were most of the people were started to leave the cities, and this could have happened because of fuel was required for breaking bricks. So as the as the population increased, they wanted to make the houses, and as the population increased, they wanted the houses, and for that they were cutting the trees and all that for making the bricks, or for baking the bricks, and as well as they were using it for smelting the copper. So in this way, deforestation also took place. Besides all this, grazing by large herds of cattle, sheep and goat may have destroyed the green cover of the Harappan cities. And in this way, in some areas there were floods also. So due to flood also, some of the scholars says that the cities have completely destroyed, but none of these reasons can be can explain the actual end of this city. Flooding or a river drying up would have had an effect in only some areas. So if the for example, if flood is taking place, that means a particular part of the river nearby the river region would be dried up, that would be completely destroyed. For example, if the floods are coming, so where the flood will come, the flood will come near the river. So as distant places are also destroyed. What is the reason behind that? Nobody knows why and how the distant places are completely destroyed, which were distant from the rivers also. So actually we cannot surely say that what was the reason behind the destruction or the destroy of the Harappa. It appears as if the rulers lost control. So as we can say, it appears as if the rulers the people of that particular ruling area. In any case, the effect of the change are quite clear. Sites in Sindh and Punjab, present-day Pakistan, were abandoned, while many people moved into newer, smaller settlements to east and the south. New cities emerged about 1400 years later. You will read about them in chapter 5 and 8. So here it is said that many of the scholars says that the rulers have lost their control over the public. In any case, the effect of change are quite clear. In any of the cases, some of the cases effects are quite clear. Sites in the Sindh and West Punjab, present day Pakistan. Now this most of the part of the Sindh and West Punjab is in the Pakistan, and these were completely abandoned, while many people moved into newer, smaller settlement to the east and the south. So here we can say many people moved into many people left the Harappan cities, and they moved to newer, smaller settlements to the east and the south. and new cities emerge about 1400 years later. About which these cities you are going to read in the chapter number 5 and 8. So here the chapter is over. Israel is not part of the city, sorry, part of the chapter. So you can read it, and if you have any problem in the understanding of this Egypt's pyramids and all that, you will I will try to explain to you. So till then, thank you very much, and in this period probably I will give you the question and answers. Thank you very much.